Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Mobi bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Me wa article bi ewo menim from Star FM. Utumi hu ne se eja ato some NDC MPs bi mu for the approval of Ken Ofori-Atta. Now mama wati asye se NDC supporters bebre na a question NDC leaders na womo ewo parliament na womo approve Ken Ofori-Atta no because womo approve Ken Ofori-Atta unanimously. Na womo approve ni wiye no womo ba abonten esanso be kasa fan ho se Ken Ofori-Atta no wase economy no enye sike bia wokoje ewo se woba parliament no womba parliament no wakoje se imran kwa na Ken Ofori-Atta wotia ensamo NDC for ne kanu no but meanwhile mo approve ne se won sanso enkoda ne minister intina NDC supporters be brenant ya say se mo kan se mo ni na afa ne pakro ne ho a adentin na mo approving in the first place what approving ne pakona wi a aden na afa wo sanso be say ni din atreyen people didn't understand na one NDC MP wono embra ye approve Ken Ofori-Atta no wanko parliament because na ne buefu na eye ne ya ohun ne se asem some ananyama some of the NDC MPs na ye a womo approve Ken Ofori-Atta no enso neni na nipa we ye nipa bi a se ye ka one MP a wotai kasetia Ken Ofori-Atta pan eyo no ye friend no Adongo muni amokai ono na wokoka Achim Mafia Achim Sakawa ono koka Achim Sakawa boys asem a mahama so ekokin bi a ebeda ne asem no the MP for Bogatanga Central, your friend Isaac Adongo. Na me wa article bi wo menim wono ankasa bo ne NDC MP sechi. Ti se senia Sami Jemfi bo NDC MPs ni bi any speaker of parliament echi embra wo mo approve how akom se ni nyama no ankasa so bo NDC MPs ni bi echi for approving Ken Ofori-Atta. Na me shall answer na be article nim no. We have a new YouTube channel. Link no e description box nimo. Click it, now subscribe it. Now, young consent so. I see the NDC member of parliament for Bogatanga Central, Isaac Adongo. This is an article from Star FM. I say Isaac Adongo has described as disappointing the reasons by the minority for the approval of Ken Ofori-Atta as the finance minister. He's part of the minority, and I want no air can. Send the colleagues no reasons I want they approve Ken Ofori-Atta very disappointing and so some supporters of the opposition NDC have expressed their disappointment in the NDC members on the appointment committee for supporting the approval of Mr. Ofori-Atta. As a minority leader, Haruna Idrisu, in seconding the motion for the approval of the nominee by consensus on the floor, stated the move is to ensure the minister carries his own cross of economic mismanagement. As someone who I do can say, the entire approve Ken Ofori-Atta and say, Ken Ofori-Atta no, was say economy no, it is a was say economy na, ye man enko no noa enko carry, but you see, you can't say this thing as reasoning, as a reason, you can't state this as a reason, because Ghana, when I will claim say, if say economy no, was say economy na, Ghana economy into who kase ni pakuna send into still yan manu na yan famanu na onkwa. Then why in the first place were you guys campaigning against President Akufo-Addo? Because one and na mu claim say President Akufo-Addo wanya ade. Nanka eno no na kebeka say President Akufo-Addo okay the first time wanya ade yan san so famanu na onko nanka NDC for sa nanka wose mo kan. Say President Akufo-Addo the first time wanya ade into second time yan san so Emano, na kamo beka tre mahama say mo nkonko contesting no because Akufo-Addo was say economy no. And so why is it that you use this as a reason to approve him? Ghana economy and a mo claim say bakuna say. Inti se was say na. Then you let someone else come so that that person will do it well. But mo say ni bakuna was say ade no, ono na was say inti no, won so mu na won san so emfanko. On say no more. Now we're signing more not different governments but say different government know to me year because the person further has deteriorated it. And no we are MP Emma Ghana and I said then because we are MP Magana what must I reason way. It's the reason that NDC MPs no Emma no. Say Ken Ofori-Atta first time no was say economy no. na economy na wasa first term no yema wono a emfa nko no na wasa nti ono anso mu nko no nsen no more. I mean, how do you say this? So this is the reason the NDC gave. This is the reason they gave. Nti na Adongo ka say masa sa asem we am kan die ye nya nkola o. Me nso me ye NDC ni ba ye nya nkola sa reason ye am media mesre mo. It was saying, but in an interview with Star News, Isaac Adongo said such a justification is sad and a disappointment. The Bolgatanga Central MP disclosed that he stayed away from the floor on Monday to register his disapproval of the decision of the minority members of the appointment committee. It was no one parliament because na eye sa adie we na NDC MPs na eye ni hin to one parliament. I didn't want to be seen as endorsing somebody I believe is a scam on Ghana. Ken Ofori-Atta epitomizes all that is wrong with our financial and economic sector of Ghana, and I'm the last person to endorse such a move. That is why I wanted the records to show that I was absent. That is why I didn't even go there to sign. Asemwa Mr. Adongo wakan no. Now, Mr. Adongo his comment is coming after former MP for Kumbungu and also slamming the leadership of the minority for approving Mr. Ofori-Atta. You can see that even in the NDC, even in the MPs na mukrano, one any NJ, the reasoning why one more approve Ken Ofori-Atta. You see, for me, they have the right to approve Ken Ofori-Atta. They have the right to approve or not. But if you come out and tell us a reason like this reason, a woman, what the my reason be say? I mean, come on, we are not kids. So what about my reasons be say? Like, what are you trying to tell us? What are you trying to tell us? What is going on? I have an article also here from Haruna Idrisu. I have an article right here from Haruna Idrisu. Let's read and see what's going on. But I don't know. But the air course no among the NDC no. Now I'll say Haruna Idrisu reveals why NDC MPs approved Ofori-Atta. As a parliament has by consensus approved the nomination of Ken Ofori-Atta as finance minister. As this follows the recommendation for his approval by consensus by the then blah blah blah. As the decision by the NDC members of the committee to support Ofori-Atta approval has come as a surprise to some parts. Blah blah blah. As the minority leader and ranking member for the committee, Haruna Idrisu, is seconding the motion, argued that the support from his side does not mean satisfaction of performance of the nominee. According to him, minister must be made to face the consequence of running down the economy for the past 4 years. The Temale South MP, however, assured the minister will be made to account for oil revenues as flagged by PIAC. Haruna Idrisu confirming say yes, the reason why Ken Ofori-Atta approving say one man kasa asay economy no inti se wasa economy na won kwaswa na onsom he should bear his own cross. But that's what I've told you. You don't I don't know, but I feel you don't do this. You don't say something like this because in the first place no then why then there will be no minister you be rejected no. Then there will be no need for vetting as well. Now vetting now more vetting I beg to differ, but there is no need for the vetting because listen, Muntie Assembly, it's here for minister be a be vetting or no. The reason why I am a minister no a second chance and it's a minister no why there because say be a minister for education. Now President Akufo-Addo in the first term my idea. Now second term President Akufo-Addo sanso my position as minister for education. Now me call vetting na. Wamobeka say ye pass me. Why? Because my idea my first term no. Records wo ho my idea. Inti ene de ye pass me. Now, for me a minister for education my first term. na ma nya hwe na ma bo oman ne ka ma say bibia na me ba me second term na ka dem say esan say me first term no ma say education ministry of education ho inti no me amensu am cross inti mo sanso pass me na second term asanso akotena ho biomu a then what is the essence of vetting? Because nipakura wa ya ade no ye man the second chance inti de wanya ade no nso ye man the second chance ana. So for me, the reasons why in America no, the NDC MPs could have approved Ken Ofori-Atta and given a different reason. Muntio, the NDC MPs no, they could have approved Ken Ofori-Atta and like given a different reason. Can I come to me a different reason? Can I come in and asem? But why approving the Pakuno? Now, Betrami said the entire were approving the say Nejuma and so in the say economy into still who approving her. Into an Pakuna or ye Jumani, you know what's the essence? Not just as you see whether we are deal, 1 year deal, you'll be approved. That's what they are telling us indirectly. Indirectly, that's what you are telling us. Tell me your comment box, Nemo.